The following tutorial explains the treatment space in DS Core. Let's begin. The more comprehensive a patient's history becomes, the more convenient treatments are for you and your team. Treatments systematically store distinct records like scans, designs, or diagnostic reports, which belong to a single case for your convenience. Treatments streamline your processes by pre-filling necessary details for scans. Once a treatment is defined, the system automatically remembers the input, ensuring that any orders initiated from the treatment area are efficiently pre-filled. Select the patient from the patient list in DS Core. Proceed to treatments and initiate a new one. Next, define the case. In this scenario, we are planning a restorative treatment with a crown on tooth 35. This section provides a detailed overview of the treatment ID located at the top left corner. Below this, you will find information regarding the type of treatment, the name of the attending doctor or patient. Notes can be used to further plan the treatment with your team, or for critical details visible for both your team and yourself. We are now ready to start an intraoral scan using PrimeScan 2, Primascan, or Omnicam. The treatment details are automatically integrated, ensuring an efficient scanning experience. Press the DI Scan button to auto-populate treatment info into Connect software and start scanning immediately. The media section contains all files related to this treatment, including digital impressions, X-rays, videos, and PDFs. These files are also accessible in your patient's media library. Only media files relevant to this treatment are shown in the Treatments section from the library. If your treatment requires services from a dental lab, you can conveniently order them from the treatment area. All available treatment details are conveniently pre-filled for you. All files and communications related to this order remain accessible from here. This section provides a comprehensive view of all manufacturing jobs, including their current status such as completed or ready for manufacturing. DS Core maintains a detailed manufacturing protocol for each job, which includes information on materials, treatment indication, and production details. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.